like it's hot side braid, but here's the science video.
Hi, AD Squad.
This is my name, Amelia.
And my name's Adrian. And today, we're making slime.
That's correct.
Step 1. Oh, it's toward the end. Now it's too strong.
Is it hard?
Yes.
Here, do you want to guys maybe take the tops off? Because that'll be easier.
Yes.
Pour all that glue in there. Hold on. Yeah.
Put all of it.
Yeah. It's about 2/3 cup. So go ahead and pour that in there.
Look at it. Look at it. Look. Look at it. Mom, look at this.
It's nasty.
It kind of smells like vinegar.
Don't get it all. There you go. Okay, try and keep it over the bowl. All right, it should all be out now. You ready for the next step?
Step 2.
Okay, so for step 2, we need to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. So there's a measurer in there. Go ahead and Adrian, get you a scoop of baking soda.
And then when you're done, like, give it to me, okay? I'm not gonna smell the baking soda.
Throw it in there.
One time.
Yep, your turn. You have just 1 scoop of that, okay?
Okay, Mom. Ah! That's 0 scoop.
Pour it in there.
And then checking around.
Oh, good. Okay. Drop it. Perfect. Yeah, perfect.
Step 3.
Step 3 is going to be 1/4 cup of water, okay?
Mom, there she is, guys.
Here's your measuring cup for 1/4 cup, okay? Okay, go ahead. Oh, we made a mess. Pour it in there. All right,
Okay.
Amelia. Your turn. Ready?
Is it actually good?
Okay, go ahead and pour it in there.
Pour it in. It covered my whole thing. Step 4. We sealed it.
Step 4. I think we're on step 4. We add shaving cream, so we have to add 2 whole cups of this. Ready? Oh my gosh.
Some people think this is whipped cream.
Does it smell like whipped cream? Throw it in your thing.
No.
Throw
Let
it
me smell it. Let me smell it. No.
Just bump it in there.
Oh, it doesn't.
That's 1 cup. Let's push your sleeves up. This is going to get messy.
At least my sleeves are already up. Looking at this, it's
Throw it in there.
whipped cream.
It smells like a man. All right.
3.
You go throw this in yours.
Okay, I can put my shoes on.
No, keep your sleeves up because you're about to stick your hands in here. Throw it in there, girl.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
I touched it.
It's okay. You're going to be touching it anyway. Don't eat it though, right?
Yeah, it kind of looks like whipped cream. I mean, yeah, it kind of looks like whipped cream, but it's shaving cream. Yeah, it's the same color as whipped cream, though.
Throw it in there.
Some people trick people with shaving cream, pretend it's whipped cream. Step 5.
You guys want some food coloring in there?
Yes. Yep. I
Okay.
want red.
You
I want
want-
each of the color. I want
Red?
each of the,
Move your hands.
I want each of all of the colors. Oh, it turned out good. And then we're gonna mix it. Do we mix it?
Mix it. Mix it all up. You're getting it all over your
I want all
clothes.
of them actually. I want all of them. I want all of them.
You have to mix it together, son.
I want all of them actually. Okay. I want all of them.
Move your hands, please. Like this. You
Have
to
all of
like
them?
this.
And Dad,
It's a hard time getting out.
Adrian, look, it looks like a pizza, right? Is it slime? Adrian, this looks like a pizza. Dad, mine's a slime.
They've been slime, buddy.
So now we can play
This is
with
called FluffySlime. Yeah, that's what you're doing right now. It's kind of playing with it.
It's fun. Yeah. We finally made slime. Yes, you could put it in a paper. We could push mine. Squish yours. Something could pop it. It sounds like you're breaking plastic.